Hello friends, yes, there is a good news over here that term 1 का हमारा yes syllabus हो चुका है and in that also now the paper is also there. Sample paper, please see it over here, term 1 का, in which there will be MCQs, okay, and that also for 25 marks. आपको यहाँ दिख ही रहा होगा, आपको यहाँ दिख रहा होगा कि हाँ yes, here it is written that 1 hour time, right, it will be given and the marks will be 25. Yes, and with that it is written over here कि हाँ part A कितने marks का होगा and part B. So part A employability skills, उसमें आपको है that is unit 1, 2 and 3. ये 3 unit आपको करने हैं and in that it is for 2 marks, like communication skills 2 marks, then self management 2 marks and ICT that is of 2 marks. यानी पूरा टोटल 6 मार्क्स का आपका क्वेश्चन होगा. फ्रॉम दैट एनी 5 आपको करना है. सो हियर इट इज 1 मार्क ईच. प्लीज रिमेंबर ये 25 मार्क्स का आपका पेपर होगा एमसीक्यूज वाला एंड इन दैट एनी 5 क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट. ओके, सो दैट इज 5 मार्क्स. ओके, तो पार्ट ए में से 5 मार्क्स का होगा and part B, that is specific skills, in that it will be of 20 marks. और उसमें कौन कौन से यूनिट है, that is 1, 2 and 3. Digital documentation, that is Word, everyone know Microsoft Word, or maybe it may be अगर आप open office यूज करते हो तो उसके according writer, electronic spreadsheet, then database management system. Now in that also here you can see कि 11 marks का आपको Word में से आएगा, that is documentation, then spreadsheet in that 13 marks and database management that will be of 3 marks. Okay, और 27 questions आएंगे. From that you have to attempt only 20 questions. Yes, you are having the option, आपके पास option है इधर. Okay, so 20 marks. So let's start the paper, right? So here you can see it is divided into 3 sections. Section A, B और C में वो divided है. फर्स्ट सेक्शन दैट इज ऑफ 5 मार्क्स और उसमें एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल्स में से आएगा, राइट. देन इट इज फॉर 15 मार्क्स, राइट. 20 क्वेश्चंस होंगे ऑन सब्जेक्टिव स्पेसिफिक स्किल्स और दूसरा जो आपका 5 मार्क्स का होगा, in that there will be 7 questions competency based questions, यानी आपको application based questions पूछे जाएंगे. So yes, you have to keep it in mind कि आपको अच्छे से पता रहना चाहिए. Now here also it is written that all the question must be attempted in the correct order. कितनी बार मैंने देखा है कि order नहीं follow करते हैं. And now this is an MCQ, so yes, you must understand that you have to maintain the sequence over here. Okay, now let's start. So first question आपके सामने आ रहा है, that is the first. Dash feedback is a specific information. Here you can see 6 questions are there, from that any 5 आपको करने हैं, right? तो आपको सिर्फ 5 questions attempt करने हैं. Please don't attend all the things. आपको सिर्फ 5 करने हैं, otherwise first 5 को वो लोग count करेंगे. Okay, so yes, you just see dash feedback is specific information in the form of written comments or verbal conversation that help the learner understand what she or he needs to do in order to improve. यानी अगर उन्हें written comments लिखना है, right, verbal conversation करना है, so which type of feedback, वो कौन से type का feedback है? So the answer is over here, that is descriptive. Okay, descriptive. Now the next one. Dash communication is the use of body language, gesture and facial expression to convey information to others. यानी आप body language का use करते हैं, gestures का use करते हैं. So for that there will be non-verbal communication. And if you want to know कि हाँ भाई ये सारे topic के बारे में, then you can go to my channel. In that all the means I've made a playlist over here of IT code 402, right, for even class 10 and 9 both. तो आप देख सकते हो. Now the third question. Sonika gets up at 6 a.m. and goes for her hobby classes. Then she comes back home and finishes her homework. Here you can see कि ये application based आ गया है. Before going to school, right? She does all the work by herself. No one tells her to do so. This is called, यानी इसको क्या बोलेंगे आप लोग? Self awareness, self motivation, self regulation या discipline. So the answer is self motivation, right? Next, high expectations from self can leave one with chronic anxiety and stress. यानी आपको स्ट्रेस हो सकता है, राइट, एंजाइटी रहती है, thus लीडिंग टू डैश स्ट्रेस। तो कौन से टाइप का वो स्ट्रेस है, राइट? सो हियर द आंसर इज मेंटल स्ट्रेस। यस, मेंटल स्ट्रेस, राइट, एवरीवन नो मेंटल स्ट्रेस बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है टू कोप अप विद दैट। सो यस, यू मस्ट बी सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड, आपको डिप्रेशन नहीं आना चाहिए। Next, a dash operating system is a computing environment that reacts to input within a specific period of time. By the time only you can understand कि time के ऊपर है, so yes, it will be real time. Okay, the answer is real time. Next now, identify the measure to protect computer from threats and viruses. अगर threats और viruses से बचाना है तो हमें क्या करना है, right? So yes, sharing password with friends, allowing anyone to use your device, use antivirus or leave computer without logging out. So here the answer is using antivirus. Yes, antivirus होना जरूरी है, right? So you can be protected from the attack of threats and viruses. Now we are coming to section B, that is 15 marks. Okay, और उसमें आपको दिख ही रहा होगा कि any 15 questions. So please remember कि आपको अच्छे से ध्यान में रखना है. You have to not to attempt all the questions again and again. I am telling you. Okay. Now यहाँ when you apply a dash, you apply a group of formatting effects together in one single step. यानी एक ही step में सारी चीजें, सारे formatting का group apply हो जाता है. So where? So in that the option is style. Okay. तो style में आपने देखा ही होगा that you have font and everything. So yes, you can use the style. Next, which function cannot be performed through subtotal in a spreadsheet? तो अगर आप स्प्रेडशीट में करना चाहते हो तो आप क्या परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते, राइट? सो हियर यू प्लीज रिमेंबर कैन नॉट, इट इज रिटन नॉट कैन. ओके, सम, एवरेज, प्रोडक्ट और परसेंटेज. सो द आंसर इज परसेंटेज. हम परसेंटेज नहीं कर सकते हैं, राइट? नाउ इन अ डॉक्यूमेंट, डैश refers to the vertical or horizontal placement of a graphic in relational to the chosen anchor point. यानी आपको अगर horizontal और vertical placement करना है graphic का तो आप क्या करोगे, means which option you will go for that? तो आपको जाना है for that. Here the option is alignment. Okay, so yes, alignment you must have seen के top bottom यार ये सब का आपका आता ही है alignments, right? Now the next one is a dash is a model that you use to create other documents. अगर आपको दूसरे अलग अलग टाइप के डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपको बनाने हैं तो उसके लिए एक मॉडल आपको सिलेक्ट करना है. देन व्हाट विल बी देयर? सो देयर विल बी टेम्पलेट्स. ओके, तो टेम्पलेट्स इज वेरी यूजफुल. ओके, तो यू कैन गेट द आइडिया अबाउट इट कि आपको कैसे फॉर्मेटिंग करना है, कैसा डॉक्यूमेंट बनाना है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, dash styles in a text document affect selected text within a paragraph, such as the font and the size of the text or bold and italic format. So which style? Which style you will say over here? So here you can understand that it is related to text. आपको यहीं से hint मिल जाती है that it is for the text. So what will be the answer? That is the character. Okay. Character means everyone know text, right? Text, numbers, alphabet, alphanumeric characters. Okay. Now to repeat the graphic across the entire background area, we need to select the option in the word processor. As you know कि आप लोगों को graphic लेना है, you want to insert the picture as a background. So there are many options. So from that, अगर आपको repeated वाला चाहिए, then which option you will select? That is style. Okay, आप style का use करोगे, right? So now the next scenarios are a tool to test questions, right? तो वो किसका पार्ट है? एवरीवन नो दैट इट कम्स इन द ग्रुप दैट इज ऑफ व्हाट इफ एनालिसिस. आपको पता ही है व्हाट इफ में आ जाएगा. नाउ डैश इज पर्टिकुलरली यूजफुल व्हेन creating a watermark or when wrapping the image in the background in a document. आप देखते होंगे कि कितनी बार आप watermark में यूज करते हो. So at that time what you will use it? तो इसमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन आपके लिए है? That is transparency, राइट? तो आपको ट्रांसपेरेंसी रेट कितना चाहिए? ट्रांसपेरेंट चाहिए या नहीं? मीन्स इफ यू वांट टू सी द इमेज इन अ ट्रांसपेरेंट वे, या फिर थोड़ा ब्लर हो जाए या फिर थोड़ा सा लाइटन हो जाए या कॉन्ट्रास्ट हो जाए. सो ट्रांसपेरेंसी. ओके, नाउ It refers to a cell or a range of cells. You can see it over here, range of cells on a worksheet, and can be used to find the values or data that you want formula to calculate. अगर आपको calculate करना है, you know very well that when you are doing a calculation, you have to go by the cell reference. Yes, you use over there cell reference. You will go for the cell reference, and for that also we are having different type of cell references. Okay, now dash totals adds data arranged in an array, that is a group of cells with labels for columns and rows. Which step one must should follow before using the subtotal option. यानी अगर आप subtotal का option आप ले रहे हो तो आपको क्या करना है, right? So for that what you have to do, so here the answer is subtotal. Everyone know कि आप subtotal में आप देखते होंगे कि yes you use the function over there, right, which function you want and where how it has been done, the grouping of it. तो अगर आपको ज्यादा देखना है then yes you can go to my channel. In that subtotal everything I have explained it over there. Dash hyperlink contains the full addresses of the destination file or a web page. Full address, you can understand here there is a hint. Full address अगर होता है तो कौन सा आएगा? So that will be absolute. Okay, we know absolute and relative. Okay, so according to that absolute. Okay, which of the following is more elaborate form of goal seek? अगर आपको goal seek आपने यूज किया और उसको ज्यादा अच्छे से देखना है then which option is more better over here? So yes you know that is solver. You know in solver there is given the condition, right? गोल तो अचीव करना है बट वी आर ऑल्सो गिविंग द कंडीशन विद दैट के उसके साथ वो गोल अचीव हो. ओके, सो यस नेक्स्ट. Dash means combining data in a spreadsheet from different worksheets into a master worksheet. So different, देखो combining, here there is an hint. Please remember this thing कि combining करना. So yes we are having over here consolidating the data. It's very simple over there. आपको steps पता रहने चाहिए. Next, and dash link will stop working only if the target is moved, while a dash link will stop working only if the start and the target location change relative to each other. Here you can understand relative वही दिखा दिया है उन लोगों ने, so you can understand. So what is the answer? That is C, absolute and relative. Absolute में आप पूरा change हो जाएगा. Why? Because the target, हमने target को ही move कर दिया है. Now, database servers are referred to as dash. तो database servers क्या काम करते हैं? So the answer is over here, that is back end. As I can give you example के आधार कार्ड और ये सब आप जो देखते हो, you see it as a website, right? You see the data. लेकिन back end में क्या है? पीछे क्या है? So वो एक database है, right? So yes, it is being maintained as a database. A table is a set of data elements that is organized using a model of vertical dash and horizontal dash. You know, table किससे बनता है? Row and column. So vertically, what it is? Vertically it is column and horizontally it is rows. So the answer is over here, that is B. Okay. Now, dash includes fonts, alignments, borders, background, number formats, date, currency and everything, and cell protection in a document. यानी cell का protection भी. So by that, yes, you must understand ये सारे hint है जिससे आपको पता रहना चाहिए कि yes, it will come over your cell style, right? क्यों? क्योंकि हम लोग सेल में करते हैं, सेल का प्रोटेक्शन कर रहे हैं, एंड विद दैट एवरीथिंग यू नो दैट बैकग्राउंड भी देते हैं एंड एवरीथिंग, right? Now, by default, sheets tabs are present at the dash of the spreadsheet. आप spreadsheet में उसे कहाँ देखते हो? Where you have it that so that is at the bottom, right? You know sheet 1, and now if you go for 2019 तो आपको sheet एक ही मिलती है and then you can add on over there, right? But at the bottom. Now the next, the cell reference in a spreadsheet for cell range B2 to F15 is dash. तो आप उसे कैसे लिखोगे? If you want to write it, right? You know that आप automatic भी कर सकते हो by dragging, and also you can write it with the help of the keyboard. So what you will do? तो आप क्या करोगे? So here you will use over there the colon, right? आप किसका use करोगे? Colon in between of the 2, that is B2 to F50. Now the next dash controls how graphics are stacked upon each other or relative to the text. यानी आपको अगर graphics को लेना है and yes you want to do the means उसको साथ में combine करना है, right? So at that time what you will use it over there, so that is about arrangement. Okay, so क्या आएगा? Arrangement. How you want to arrange it, like backward, forward. Okay, so that is the thing. Now we are going for section C, that is competency based questions. And yes, you will get 6 questions. From that you have to attempt any 5. और प्लीज नंबरिंग उसका ठीक से देना, अदरवाइज आपके मार्क्स हो सकता है कि चले जाए अगर आपने ठीक से नंबरिंग नहीं किया है. ओके, सो यस, इफ इट इज एन OMR शीट तो आपको OMR शीट में आपको उसके नंबरिंग पर जाकर ही आपको OMR को फिल करना है. ओके, इफ यू आर गेटिंग द OMR शीट फ्रॉम द स्कूल और मे बी फ्रॉम द बोर्ड, राइट? मुझे जहां तक पता है बोर्ड के थ्रू, राइट, OMR शीट्स वाला ही आएगा. सो यस, यू हैव टू फिल प्रॉपरली दैट थिंग. Now, Millennium Universities is organizing a reunion meet for their students. For this purpose, university wants to send the invite to all these students with their different address. Which feature of word processor should use to accomplish the task? Everyone know it's very simple. आप सबको पता है कि mail merge, right? Mail merge में आप combine करते हो, right? So that is to combine the letter and also the main document and the data source. Now, Prisha is a book editor. She wants to change the indentations of all the paragraph. सारे paragraphs का indentation उसे change करना and then change the font of all the titles. सारे titles का font भी उन्हें change करना. So which feature she should use to make the task easy? तो अगर task को easy बनाना है, so what she will do? So she will use the styles, right? So styles में you must know क्या you can create your own style also, and there you can give the indentations. Okay. Now Gaurav has inserted an image in a document. He wants to remove the unwanted area. You can understand remove unwanted areas. ये तो आप हर बार पढ़ते हो. I think so from you were the kid. वहीं से पता चलता है कि remove the unwanted area of the image. तो आपको क्या करना है in the word? So that is crop. आपको क्या use करना है? That is crop option. Okay. Now Hema is a chartered accountant. She used to maintain the accounts in a spreadsheet on everyday basis. There are a number of steps. उसमें बहुत सारे steps है which she needs to follow every time, and she has to continuously use it repeatedly. She has to use that thing. So can you suggest her a feature of a spreadsheet through which she can perform these tasks quickly without repeating? See, you're repeating without repeating. By that, see, please remember ये सारी चीजें आपको याद रहना चाहिए term के हिसाब से. So here it will come, that is using macros. Everyone know macros is to repeat, right? अगर आपको repeat करना है कुछ commands को तो आप macros करोगे, so it will do the recording and afterwards yes you can use it. Now Raj has created a worksheet where he has added all the information of his employees. He wants every employee to go through the worksheet and update their address and phone number if required. He also would like to know the changes done by his employees. Which feature of spreadsheet he should enable to see the changes made by his employees. अगर उसके employees ने अगर कोई changes किए, means he has shared, उसने share किया है and afterwards he want to see the changes. तो क्या करेंगे? So here the track changes. The answer will be track changes. तो उन्हें changes देखने हैं. So where the people have done the changes, the employees have done the changes. Now Akshat wants to store a huge amount of information about his firm in a database. उसे database में maintain करना. Which type of table organization would be most suitable for his purpose? So yes, you know very well that two types are there for the database, that is either flat file or maybe relational, right? So flat file या तो फिर relational वो use कर सकते. And now the last but not the least, that is Sunita is making a project in a spreadsheet. Her friend has told her how to rename a spreadsheet as it will help her identify the worksheet. As I also do कि मैं sheets को number दे देती हूँ या नाम दे देती हूँ, so I can understand if it is questions, तो questions के हिसाब से question 1 2 like that I can give it, so it will be easy. So she was very excited and told the same to her brother, यानी उसने अपने भाई को भी बोल दिया. Her brother told her that in spreadsheet open office a worksheet can be renamed using dash ways. So how many ways are there? So there are 3 ways over there. Okay, so please remember, जब भी आप attend करोगे तो you must know application based questions, उसके steps and everything. Okay, I think that I've cleared every doubt of your all these, right? Term 1, and all the best. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel and watch other videos which are there related to your class. Okay, thank you.